I'll tell you what, George Steinbrenner was a great friend of mine. The whole family, it's a great family, and Randy is wonderful, and I will say you're going to win. George used to come, for some reason, I don't know what it was, we won every time I came. Randy, is that right? Every time we came, we'd win a game, and he'd call me, he was, you think that was easy sitting with him for a game? It wasn't. It was brutal. You were exhausted at the end, but he won, and you're going to win. You're going to go all the way. And you'll get in the playoff, and I think you're going to do. I think we'll start off. How about tonight? We'll start from tonight on, and you're going to do well. Randy was telling me the Boston Red Sox came to the Oval Office. They wanted to come, so I said, "What am I going to do? Say no?" So, and they won 15 games in a row.
That was bad news. Bad news. We're changing the luck here right now, Mr.
We're going to change it right now. So I just want to wish you guys a lot of luck. Players, I know every one of you. Let me shake hands around here. Come on. I shake their hands. I shake their hands. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I just want to